how to log out of ChatGPT on all devices. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, the logout everywhere feature is only available via the web and it may not appear on the mobile app. So, you can head over to any browser and then open up the ChatGPT where you are logged in. And once you open it up, you will see two lines in the top left. Tap on it. Now go to your name at the bottom. Head over to settings. And then you need to go to security. Now you can see log out all. So this will log out all active sessions across all devices, including your current session. It may take up to 30 minutes for other devices to be logged out. So that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.